Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 8th of March. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's session. Locally, we saw our retail sales number come in at 0.1%. That was under the 0.3 forecast. Aussie dollar taking a little bit of a dive in what was a fairly narrow trading day, and the Aussie US dollar for now still holding onto that 70 support region. All the news pretty much happened from Europe, where we saw the interest rates remain unchanged, but the major drama was centered around Mr. Draghi's announcement, where it was revealed that the Eurogrowth sector GDP forecast for 2019 had been revised down to 1.1%. This is a 0.6% drop to what their forecast was only 3 months ago. And in addition to all of this, they also announced that more stimulus would be injected into the economy. Now, investors reacted accordingly to the news, and the Euro USD pretty much was dumped by the market, dropping around about 130 odd pips for the session. So that was all that happened yesterday. Let us now have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I showed yesterday did not trigger, got to the levels, it didn't produce the patterns that we were looking for, so we move on. This morning's chart of the day is the Euro USD on a daily timescale. Now, it's not ready right now. There was nothing that was ready this morning to possibly provoke a trade for us, but this was the closest thing that I found. We can see a really clear support level on the Euro USD. The market's come to this line once, twice, 3 times, and we are approaching it. We're not there yet, but I've marked in the hot zone of where we think it may occur. So what we're looking for is essentially we want the market to come down, meet us at this line, produce that reversal, price action reversal pattern that we would be looking for. Once we have all of that, then we'll be ready to take a trade. So not ready to go right now. Add this one to your hot list. Euro USD on a daily timescale is our chart of the day. Okay, what's happening in news for this session, which is about to kick off? We have unscheduled, so it's tentatively throughout the day, from China. The trade balance numbers are due out. This would affect our own Aussie dollar. Then after midnight at 12:30 from Canada, we have the employment change in unemployment rate, so the job numbers coming from Canada, and simultaneously at the same time, 12:30, we have non-farm payroll numbers, the unemployment rate, the employment change, and the average hourly earnings. So big news. This is the highlight of the calendar month. It's possibly the news that affects volatility the most to the market. So if any of you are unaware of this, please take note, specifically if you're trading the US CAD, because it's a double whammy with Canadian and US news coming out simultaneously. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.